Thank you for coming back to my channel for a stimulus check and stimulus package update. Okay, the second round of stimulus checks has been passed by the House. Now they got to go to the other side and get it passed over there, and then it's got to go on to President Trump for his signature. But y'all, it's going to meet a lot of opposition when it goes to the Republican side. They've already said that it's dead in the water. And from all the garbage that they've got in it, I don't blame them. It should be dead in the water. Take all that garbage out of it and just make a bill that's going to give the American people $2,000 a month until this is over. Nothing else. Plain and simple. It would get passed like that. Take all the garbage out of it. Help the people. That's what you're there for. China. Everybody is pointing their finger at China. It's their fault. It's their fault. Yes, it is their fault. But don't you think when we get out of this pandemic, when we get on the other side, when the sun starts shining again, don't you think it'd be enough time to do finger pointing and retaliation then? Now's not the time. We got more important things to do. Okay, both sides, they're talking about blue states, red states. They want this for this blue state. They want this for this red state. How about we talk about the United States of America and the American people? Quit dividing our country. Isn't it ironic? This bill has got all these millions of dollars going to abortion, and we're in a fight for our life, trying to fight for human life, and they're trying to finance the destruction of human life. Just something to think about. Line item veto. Can the president take the bill? Can he take the bill and say, okay, this is good, we'll do that. Line item veto. Oh, I don't like this one, we'll take this out. He can't do that no more. They deem that unconstitutional. Why? He's the president. He's the one that we voted for to make the decisions. If we're going to take all the power away from the person that we voted for to make the decisions, why do we even have a president anymore? It don't make sense. Let the man do his job. How can we ever make America great again if we don't quit fighting amongst ourselves? All this bickering back and forth needs to stop. Everybody's wondering, what is Korea going to do to us? What is China going to do to us? It don't matter what they're going to do to us. We're going to do it first. We're going to destroy ourselves with all this bickering back and forth. It's time to wake up, people. Take a stand. Fight for your country. Fight for your God-given rights. And pray every day. That's the only way we're going to get out of this. I love y'all. Come back tomorrow for another update. Until then, ciao.